We are here at POL. It is a nice Sunday. You can still smell all of the rubber in the air from the Burnout contest. It's almost over there, so you got to get down here quick or you're going to miss everything.
I brought my car out, let people see it, here with some hero cards ready for me to be signed and hand out. There's pretty awesome cars out here. We have a few cars that did the Burnout contest. I watched about 3 of them. One I loved, it lit the house up. Back there is just full of tread, and I love it.
All right, guys, we're here at the POL Open House. Fight Tech again is out here and supporting. We got several cars out here with all the Fight Tech equipment on there. You know, they all made it here. No problems, no issues. They got here. We even had people trying to help people on the freeway that didn't have a Fight Tech. So that's how it goes. Come down to POL, get your Fight Tech, buy fuel injection. It's the way to go.
Gary with Alden American. We're out here at the POL car show, and it's been an awesome day. The Burnout pit's been going crazy all morning. We've got a lot of people, a lot of great cars out here on the street. It's just an incredible day. Glad to be here.
Hey, welcome to Evans CNC. We're here at POL, their open house. We're giving away one-off billet design steering wheel for the giveaway raffle. We do custom machining, custom design work, and fabrication. So feel free to hit us up for all your car needs.
Hey, this is Jimmy with Crackin' Skulls. We're out here today at the POL Open House, but we're here with a little arsenal of our mayhem bats, from spikes to barbed wire, to maces to flails, machetes and cleavers. And it's all durable, as they say.
What's up? We're here at POL 2023 Open House, open showroom. Come in, check it out. Burnouts in the back. Let's go.
We're out here at the Fight Tech booth, out here at POL Open House. It's always a great time out here with a bunch of hot rodders. Got Alden American over here. Great food truck down the road. Great times, great friends. Burnout contest just popped off really well.
The winner of our Burnout contest is Kim Chicago Witch with a 1941.
Hey, let me show you something really quick. Check this out. The Burnout competition today. All this nasty rubber. Our new Modelo bottle opener. Things you haven't seen before happen out here every time. All right, beer holders 2023. What do we call the technology here used today to hold your beer?
This is Toyo Tire Tears.
Toyo, new production. Toyo Tim right here, the Burnout King.
Marhara here, reporting for Performance POL. Are you guys POL Open House 2023? We got hot rods, burnouts, all kinds of good food and people here. We're supporting an amazing cause for Support Sisters. They're helping people pay their medical bills and get medications and get to their doctor's offices, and it's an amazing thing. So Performance Online, support, baby.
We're able to raise $1,414 for Support Sisters. Thank you guys so much.
Thank you for shopping with POL at performanceonline.com. Subscribe to our channel for more how-tos, featured customer rides, event coverage, and more. That's POL at performanceonline.com.